Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do something a little different. It's a rear view mirror camera. Let's do the unboxing, then I'll do the installation and show you the finished product. Alright, let's start. Let's do the unboxing. I want to thank FXT Technologies for sending me this this camera. You guys know nowadays you need a camera on your vehicle in order to record. There's a lot of stuff going on, so this will be a real good thing to have on your vehicles and protect yourself. So let's just do the unboxing, see what the content is, and see what's inside. All right, right off the bat, you're gonna have your manuals right there, and the rear view mirror, which includes let me just unpack everything. I'll show you right now. After that, right there you have a couple of tools that you can use to install it. This is your rear camera right there. This is going to be your power that's going to be turning on the cameras and the rear view mirror. And right there, these are to hold the rear view mirror to your stock rear view mirror. This is for the antenna, and that's it. That's all that's included. Let me set it up so you can see everything. There it is. That's everything that's included on the box. Let me just install it. It's not that hard. You can use a different bracket if you don't want to use it with the, this is to install with the license plate. You can install it there, or you can, if you need something else, you can use this one. Take this mounting bracket off and install this one. Real simple to install. Let me just install it real quick so we can turn it on and see the performance. Also, in the description below, I'm gonna leave the link so you can go ahead and it's an Amazon link. Go ahead and get yourself one. I assure you that this is a rear view, the front facing camera. What's good about this, guys, it's that it's gonna be recording constantly. As soon as you turn on your car, the front camera, the back camera, it's gonna be recording. Okay, your little card, it's inserted right there, and you'll have a recording in it. Another thing, this is a 1080p DVR camera, which is high quality. It's not a 4K, but it is a 1080p, which the video quality is gonna be real good. Okay, you'll see it right now. Let me just go ahead and install it and show you the rear view mirror. All right, here we are. Let me just turn it on so you can see the beginning of the, there it is. Now you're gonna have double cameras. If you want to switch it to one, just press it right there. That's the front camera. That's the rear view mirror camera. Okay, so let me just show you a little bit when it records, driving it around. That's the date, that's the time, it'll tell you there. And right there, it shows you that it's recording. Anytime you turn on the car, it's gonna start recording. Anytime you turn off the car, it'll turn itself off. In order to go to the settings, you go home. Right there, it'll show you, go to settings. It'll tell you right there what to do. It's got your date, your hour, everything that needs to be done. Go back. Your files are right there if you need to see the video, and record. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to the back camera and it'll stay there. Let me just show you on the road, see how it looks, the quality of the camera, how it records. And this is it. If you want to get one of these, look in the description below and get yourself one. All right. Thank you very much. I'll see you this coming weekend. Like always, God bless.